Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about how you can use DialMyCalls to help boost church attendance. DialMyCalls offers the ability to send church congregation members a weekly or monthly update via phone call, text message, and email. Let's take a look at how your church can get started. Once you have signed up your church for a DialMyCalls account, the first thing you will want to do is add in your congregation members. From the dashboard, click on Contacts at the top of your screen. You can add in all of your church members quickly and easily. Create contact groups to help keep everyone at your church organized. You can see here that we have a church admin group, congregation members group, and a volunteers group. To add in your contacts, simply click on Add Contacts and you will have three options available: Manually Add, Quick Add, or Upload List. Upload List is our most popular option as you can add an Excel spreadsheet of all the members at your church. Now that we have added in our church contacts, let's go ahead and set up a recording we will be using for our first broadcast. Click on the Recordings tab at the top and click on Add Recording to create your message. DialMyCalls offers 4 different options when it comes to creating a recording: Record Message, Upload File, Text-to-Speech, and Phone-in System. The most popular option is to choose Record Message, and you will enter your phone number, at which point in time our system will call you to record the message right over the phone. Once you are done recording, it will prompt you to hang up the phone and your recording will be available right away. If you do not want to use your own voice to record a message, then you can utilize our text-to-speech option, which will let you type out a message and then our system will convert it into an audio file for you to use. After you have set up your recording, it is now time to send out our first broadcast. Click on New Broadcast at the top of your screen to begin. You now have the option to select voice, text, and email. To get the most out of our church outreach broadcast, we are going to select all 3 broadcast options and click Next. The next step in sending our church outreach broadcast is to select our contacts to receive the messages. Click on Groups and then select the congregation members group and click on Next. For the phone call portion of your broadcast, you will want to select the caller ID that will be displayed on your recipient's phones. It is recommended that you use your church's phone number. Below you will see the advanced calling features that DialMyCalls offers. Push to opt out. Recipients can press a number on their phone to opt out of any future messages from your church. Push to leave a message. Your church members can press a number on their phone to leave you a voice message. All voice messages will be available to listen to from within your DialMyCalls account. Polling. Ask your church members a question and give them up to 6 different options to key in on the phone. Polling results will be available in the detailed call report for your broadcast. Push to talk. Add push to talk funds into your DialMyCalls account to activate this feature. Recipients can key in a number on their phone to be connected directly back to the church to speak with someone. Push to repeat. If you have an important message for your church members, then you can choose the push to repeat option. This allows your recipients to listen to the recording one additional time. For this call, we are not going to use any of our advanced calling features, so to continue, click on Next. It's now time to select the recording that we want to send our church members. Select your recording and then click on Next. Now we are going to send your church members a text message. From the drop-down, select the free toll-free number that every DialMyCalls account receives to send out text messages with. Go ahead and type out the text message you'd like to send to your church members in the message box below. Once you've typed out your text message, click on Next to continue to the email step. On the email portion of the broadcast, it will automatically move over the text message you've typed out to send. Keep in mind this email will come from support@dialmycalls.com. We do offer a new advanced emailing feature for an additional cost. If the email looks fine, then click on Next. DialMyCalls offers the ability to send your messages immediately, schedule them for a later date and time, or set up a recurring message to go out weekly or monthly. For this broadcast, we are going to select Send Now. The broadcast name is just for your records so you can quickly find the report for a specific broadcast. Once you've named your broadcast, click on Next. Review your 3 broadcasts to make sure everything is correct. If everything is correct, click on Send Broadcast Now. That's it. You have now sent out a church outreach broadcast via phone call, text message, and email. At the bottom of your screen, you will be able to generate a social media link that you can share on your church's social media accounts. Once you are done with the social media link, click on Reports at the top of your screen to view a detailed report of each broadcast that you sent. Since you sent a phone call, text message, and email, you will see 3 separate reports for each broadcast. Click on Text to view the detailed report for the text message broadcast. Once you have reviewed the text, go back to the Reports tab and then click on Call next to your recent broadcast. This will display a detailed report of every phone call that went out. Thank you for joining us today to learn how to use Dial My Calls to boost attendance at your church. If you have any questions, please contact us toll free at 800-928-2086 or send one of our account managers an email to sales@dialmycalls.com. Thank you and have a wonderful day.